Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Gopals. So guys, nowadays it's not hard to find content on interview tips, interview skills, how to give your introduction and so on. So nowadays it's not that tough because once you type this topic interview skills, you will get ton of videos, ton of blogs and a variety of articles. You will get that how you can prepare yourself for an interview, where you will get the tips that what you should do when you will appear for an interview, what type of introduction you can give, and what are the tips, what are the points that you should keep in mind whenever you give your introduction, right? So it's not that hard. It's not that hard nowadays. But still, sometimes what happens whenever you appear for an interview, and before appearing for an interview, you have gone through a lot of videos to prepare yourself, your personality, to prepare your personality for an interview. But still, after mugging up those tips and those skills till the bottom of your heart, still you will not able to give your 100%. You not justify yourself according to their expectation and according to your expectation. So have you ever thought over it, that where I'm lagging behind, what are the techniques that I'm not able to follow and that make me unsuccessful during the interview? Have you ever thought over that? Because everyone talks about the tips and skills that I'm also going to talk about, but after this video. Because before appearing for an interview, you need to prepare your personality for that. You need to prepare personality for that. Because you yourself are not aware that what are the reasons that actually are blocking you from giving your 100% in an interview. So guys, do not worry, I'm going to share those techniques with you. So before diving into any interview skills or tips and how to give your introduction during an interview, you should work over your mindset. So you should work over your determination. Yes, I can do it. You should work over your fear that I can't do it. You always have this fear that I can't do it, I can't make to this interview. And the last, your confidence. And the confidence is that yes, I have got my dream job. So these are the three factors, these are the three techniques that you need to work over regarding your personality, to prepare your personality for an interview. And today I'm going to share these techniques and how you can work over your determination, your fear and confidence in this video. And then afterwards I will come up with another videos that actually talks about interview skills and tips. So first, you prepare your personality. You prepare your personality for an interview, work over your determination, your fear and confidence, and then see the magic. Trust me, then see the magic. So if you're interested in this video, knowing what are the techniques that you can adopt under these three topics, then keep on watching. And if you will like the video, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Yes, and comment also. And if you will like this video, then do share it with your friends and the people who will find it helpful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it right away. And let's get started. So guys, as I mentioned, that you need to work over your determination, your fear and confidence. And from where all these aspects come from? They come from your mindset, they come from your thoughts. So you need to work over your thoughts. You just need to modify, you just need to mold your thoughts and prepare yourself for an effective interview. So actually these three aspects, directly or indirectly, actually related to your confidence, to your self-confidence. And I have already uploaded videos on self-confidence, how you can build your self-confidence. And if you're interested in this video, then you can watch it. I'm going to share the link either on the screen or somewhere in the description box below, so do check it out. And now we'll talk about these three main techniques that can give you a path to give your 100% during an interview. So first we'll talk about your hesitation, your fear when you actually appear for an interview. So first we'll talk about your hesitation. your fear whenever you appear for an interview. So, from where your fear actually comes from? Have you ever thought over it? Like, what are the reasons that whenever you appear for an interview or for any public speaking, okay, you have this fear that whether I will be able to give my 100% or not? And do you ever ponder over that? What could be the reason that you are always afraid of? You must be afraid of your communication skills, that you will be judged on the basis of your communication skills or on the basis of the kind of English language you are using. Because nowadays interviews are held in English language. Like the companies, the organization, they always look forward to hiring those candidates who are good communicator, the candidates who have a good English fluency, right? So you will be judged on the basis of communication skills and English language, and you must be having this fear, right? So see, in communication skills and English language, these are two different aspects, right? So first you need to focus over your communication skills, and I'm going to make a video on communication skills soon. So first you have to make sure that your communication skills are strong. Now you will be thinking that how will I able to justify my communication skills, that whether my communication skill is good or not. So here I'll give you one hack, okay? I'll give you one hack over here, okay? Because I'm going to make a separate video on communication skills, okay? But here I'll give you one hack, and that hack is try to convince people. Try to convince people, and you can start from your home. If you are able to convince people, then I think you are a great communicator. And if you are not able to convince the people, then I think you have to work over your communication skills. I hope you get an idea what I'm trying to say, and I will talk about this convincing part in detail in my communication skills. So focus over communication skills, and once your communication skill will be strong, then no one can stop you. No one can stop you. Now the second technique is that you have to work over determination. And what is determination? Determination is that personality trait when you want to do anything with strong will. And that strong will should have your willingness also. Until unless you are not willing to do anything, are not able to give your 100%, make it a point. Okay, so your willingness actually plays an essential role whenever you want to do anything, and it actually plays a necessary role in your determination. So willingness is very important. Willingness is interlinked with your determination, with your strong will. And as I always say, that you have to keep this thing in your mind, and every time any task of your life, okay, do not only talk about interview, any task of your life, if you will take that task with this determination that yes, I can do it, then again guys, no one can stop you. Trust me. But that determination has to be there in your heart, mind or soul, or anything you can say, but it should be imbibed in your personality. And determination saying that yes, I can do it, I will give my 100% in interview, and definitely I'll impress myself, then the panel. First you have to impress yourself, okay, then you impress anyone else in this whole world. So first impress yourself. So you just say that I will give my 100%, I will impress myself, and at the same time the whole panel is going to get impressed by me. And once you will have such powerful statement in your mind, in your soul, then trust me, it will diffuse your fear like in seconds, and it will help you out to come out from your fear shell that you have covered yourself with that fear shell, and encourages you to face this world because you are the only source of inspiration to yourself. You are the only source of inspiration to yourself. So determination always says right away. You can also claim this determination in the comment section below and saying that yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. And when you will inculcate these two techniques in your mind, in your soul, then you will feel a sense of self-confidence in yourself. You will feel that you have already got your dream job, and that preparation will make you powerful. Nothing is impossible until and unless you have your determination, you have your confidence in your hand. Then I don't think so anything in this world is impossible. So guys, I hope that these techniques or these factors will help you out to boost your confidence, to prepare yourself, to prepare your personality for an interview. And I hope that after watching this video, you will feel rejuvenated, you will feel confident enough to go and appear for an interview and give your 200%. And if you will like the video, then again do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.